Hi everyone. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to play the Interstellar main theme in a simplified version using Bandlab and musical typing, so using your computer keyboard. So if you don't have an account already, just go to bandlab.com and sign up for a free account. You can use your Gmail to make it quicker. And when you log in, you can see a create button, and then you can just create a new project, and you should see a screen that looks like this, where you can click on the keys of the piano, or you can press the keys on your computer keyboard as A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, apostrophe, and then the black notes, W, E, T, Y, U, and O, N, P. We're just going to play it today, not record. So the first thing we want to do, as you can hear, the default is kind of quite low frequency bass notes on the piano. So we want to just put the octave up. So look for this section here where it says octave 2, and just click on the plus to put it up to octave 3. And that'll give us the right range of notes that we need for this particular tune. Now, just to start off, get used to the keys. Play only the white notes from bottom to top. So starting on A, and it goes up to this note here, which is actually F, but represented here by the apostrophe. And then the black ones. Okay, and now try both together. So you're going. And back down again. Okay, so we're just getting used to playing the notes with the keyboard. And for this tune, we're only going to need really about 4 or 5 notes. So the first note is if you press H on your keyboard. And I'm not going to go into the names of the musical notes at this point. We're just going to use the letter on the keyboard to represent which note to play. So H. And then the other note that we need is the one that's represented by the semicolon. This one. Okay, so those are the first 2 notes of the Interstellar tune. And you just play them like that twice. And then we're going to go up to the next note, which is J. And I'll just play the bottom notes because the top note is going to be the same all the time. So we're going H, J, then K, and then L. Those are the 4 notes. And then the top note is going to be this one here, the semicolon, all the time. So I'll play it through once so you can get the idea of it. Okay, so that's kind of one repetition of the sequence on the way up. And then the last part is you just press J again and start again. So it's like. Okay, that's the basic tune for the right hand. And we're just going to add in a little bit extra here, the harmony part. So the harmony has 4 notes as well. And that's going to start on the F note, which is actually an F note. and then G, which also is a G, then H, and then J. So it's going up while the other one is also going up. So if we play F and H at the same time, and then when we move up to J, we move up to G, then H, then J. So that's the basic sequence with two hands. And then there's a variation later on. So if you do that a few times, and then instead of going all the way up on the left, instead of going up to the J, we're going to go back down to the G. So it'll sound like this. Just adds a little emotional resonance as the tune builds up on repetitions. So that's basically it. The very simple version, simplified, of the Interstellar main theme using musical typing in Bandlab.